Hello everyone who decide to try kite surfing. It's really awesome activity, and in this video we'll explain you everything about the learning process. So first you need to find a quite wide beach for get enough place for get up your kite. Check your wind. Wind always should come from seaside to shore. It might be with some small angle, but never back. And also it should be free from any obstacles like pillars, stands, electric lines, trees, anything. Check obstacles on a shore. It shouldn't be any big building, construction or cliff, because it might take a turbulence. When wind going here, it's make a turbulence. And also sea should be clear from any obstacles as well. It shouldn't be any boats, fish net, people, buoys, piers, anything. Now Andrew will show to us the first steps. Need to remember, kite surfing is an extreme sport. It might be very dangerous. Hence, for get started, you need to find qualified instructor. And this video we've done only to show you all of the learning process, so you can have precise idea about everything. In addition, it might help you before you start. We begin with unpack kite, put it downwind, use sand for keep it down and not blow it away. Then we pump it up. If you have old model kite, so you need pump section by section separately. Double check it enough pressure inside. It's easiest way to carry on our kite. For keep it still, just put it on another side. Also use sand for hold it. I was so excited about the kite surfing, so decide make this video what might help to beginners. Next, untwist the bar and separate all of the lines. In addition, I recommend you to put some long shorts on and some jumper with long sleeves. If you will fail even on a sand, it will protect you from scratch your skin and also will protect you from a sunburn. Check the lines colors. Red line always on the left side and blue on the right side. Most comfortable way, just put lines between different fingers. When finished, put sand on lines so wind not blow it away. Now we can connect lines to bridles, connecting trailing edge, red color to red color and blue color to blue color. For be sure, left lines on left and right lines on the right side. By the way, you can always double check it in manual book from your kite. When everything is set up, we going back and double check our lines. Finally, everything is ready and we can put harness on. Your instructor will show everything how it works, so you can start to do your exercises. Also, life vest will be very helpful, especially when you will fall in the water, so it will make everything much comfortable. We as a beginners start our training on a small kite, and after we'll practicing on a bigger one. All other exercises we will show in the next video. This one very basic, and here we show only how to unpack equipment and just the basic first steps to get ready. For lift kite in the air, we need to use someone help. Try to do everything slow and smooth to control every movement as much as possible. As a beginner, for your exercises, you will use 1 or 2 times smaller kite than recommend for certain wind speed. Don't worry if you cannot do something from a first time. Remember, even bicycle you cannot ride from a first time. Most important, just enjoy your time. And step by step you will do everything better and better. Like in any other activity, you just need some practice for be able to do it well. We hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you for watching.